This is amazing. This method. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marie-Reine and I'm back with a brand new video. As you guys can see in the title, today I'm gonna be trying something that I've seen around TikTok. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna be trying the crochet method on the Vpart wig. I've done a couple of Vpart wig reviews, guys, and I've also done a video dedicated to a Vpart wig with no leave out. In that video, I showed you guys a couple of hairstyles that you can do with your Vpart wig without any leave out. So if you haven't seen that video, guys, go ahead and watch it. I will leave it on the screen up here somewhere, or you can check the description box. I will leave it down there. But guys, today's method is going to be the crochet method. I first saw this on TikTok. You know, I was scrolling and on my For You page, there was this girl doing her wig, her Vpart wig, and the way she installed it was using a crochet. Just this, guys. I did not know this method existed. So I decided to take it upon myself and give it a try to see if this really works. So I'm gonna try it on a straight Vpart wig. I'm super excited to try this, guys. So without any more further ado, let's get into it. So today's Vpart wigs I'm gonna be using from UNice hair, guys. I'm not gonna go into too much detail because if you want to hear all the details, guys, go on that video and you will get it. Of course, I kept the box because, like, why not? It's nicely put away, nicely sealed. I did recently wash it as well, so it's looking like brand new. It looks like this is new. So guys, yeah, see how I kept my wig, guys. If you don't know how to keep your wigs, guys, this is the best way. Keep the box, keep the net, okay? And you know, it keeps your wig really, really nice. I mean, look at that. Look at that, you guys. As you can all see as well, I did color my hair, so my hair is prepped, it's ready. This method is great because you don't need to leave out. Yes, we don't like leave outs, especially with natural hair. It can be really hard to blend, so this method is a lifesaver. I haven't even tried it yet, but I'm like praising it already. I'm just hoping it works. That's what I'm saying. So basically, they left this braid and clip the wigs on the other braid so that you can crochet the hair on these two. I hope that makes sense, but if it doesn't, you guys will see what I mean. So I'm gonna clip the wig as close as I can to the last braid. So I still want that space to be able to crochet. What they do is they grab some of the hair on this wig and crochet on here. So I'm gonna use, I'm excited to try this. Let's hope it looks good. Okay, so you want to grab your hook. I think this is the right way, right? Grab some hair at the start of the wig. Oh my god, am I doing it right? I think I'm doing it right. Okay. Ooh, okay. I think this might work, you know, if it can actually sit like this. Ooh, this is gonna work. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm getting too excited. Okay, so grab some hair. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, guys, this is amazing so far. I don't know why I can see that it's gonna work already. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, my arms are sore now. Guys, my arms are tired. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Guys, I think this is working. Oh, okay. I think this is working. Ooh. Okay. I see. Guys, I think this has actually worked. Yes, I just used the mirror and I can see it properly. Ooh, this is amazing. This method. Guys, this method though. Let me finish the other part so I can really visualize it. But as I can see so far, I think this is looking really cool. This is actually such a great method, guys. It's so quick to do and it's so easy. Let me just finish and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so now this part is gonna be a little challenging only because I am not left-handed, but we'll make it work. We will make it work. Yeah, I told y'all this is gonna be challenging. Alright guys, so this is pretty repetitive, as you can all see. Like, there's no like tricks about it. What I would recommend you do is make sure you have that piece of hair ready before you put the hook in. Have that piece of hair ready. Put the hook in. Get that piece of hair in the hook and then drag it out. So that way it moves a lot quicker and it's so much easier to do. After doing crochet, I'm just gonna flip it on the side, brush it down, and ta-da! It looks awesome. So guys, you can use your hot comb to make this flat, or you can use a straightener just to make sure that it stays flat because it is a bit annoying. What I'm gonna do is use some of my hair wax and just make it stay down. Come on. And guys, just like that, you have a Vpart wig with no leave out. Obviously that method works amazing. It is so handy, it's very quick to do, it's very easy as well, guys. As you guys saw, it's so simple, guys, and the results speaks for themselves. I don't have to say too much, just that this is a really great method. I'm really happy this came out. I don't know why I didn't discover this before, you know. I wish I knew about it way before. But if you guys didn't know about it, I just put you on. So please don't let this flop. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and of course make sure you share it so other people can also find out about this. Okay, so guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really happy about it. I'm giving this method 10 out of 10. Let me know your comments down below. Let me know if you would try it, and obviously if this works on a straight wig, it's obviously gonna work on a curly wig, probably way better. Let me know if you guys want to see me do it on a curly wig, but I'll be more than happy to do that, honestly. Let me know if you want to see it. I have the Curly Vpart wig. I also have the review on my channel. You can check it out. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.